Hi everyone. I think you all aware that 2 days before CBSE has introduced the term-wise syllabus. So today we are going to discuss about that. That is informatics practices, code number 065, class 12. Okay, 2021, 2022. So the units are same. We have like in the 3 months before we got it the syllabus from the CBSE, the same syllabus, but two terms they have divided into two terms. So we have 4 units, that is data handling using pandas and data visualization for 25 marks. Then database query using SQL 25 marks. Introduction to computer networks 10 marks. Societal impacts 10 marks. So total marks are given over here. And if you see here, 50, 60, 70 marks, okay, and 30 marks for practical, so total 100 marks. Now this is divided, this 4 units are now divided into two terms. Actually before we used to write at the end the whole thing, no, now it is divided into two terms. That is term 1, we have unit 1 and unit 4. That is in unit 1 we have data handling using pandas and data visualization for 25 marks. Then the societal impact, that is unit 4, that is for 10 marks, so total 35. So our final mark is 70, no? So in 70, that half is 35. So term 1, you all are going to write for 35 marks, only these 2 units. That is data handling using pandas and data visualization, then societal impact. Then in unit 1, already we studied, we have discussed all these things, data handling using pandas and data visualization, that is pandas 1 and data visualization. So all this we studied already and we discussed. Then the fourth unit, that is societal impact, that is for 10 marks. Then along with that, you have the practical overall 30 marks. So that also will be divided into 15, 15. So in the term 1, you have for 15 marks practical. Then for term 2, again you have 15 marks practical. So in term 1, we have pandas program, that can be a pen and paper according to the condition in that time, how the situation is. According to that, whether it is pen and paper, you are going to write that as a program and you will send through online, or you can do it in collab. So CBSE has accepted the collab one also. So collab or any online ideal, or for if you are using a mobile, then you can use this pyroid screen for mobile. So for that 8 marks. Then the practical file 15 pandas program will be there, for that 3 marks. Then the project is synapses. So what is this project synapses? Then the later video, the next video, I will give you how you have to do this synapses. Then for the Viva 2 marks, so total 15 marks for this term 1. And if you see, they have, the CBSE has given some questions for the practicals also. Then for the term 2, the rest of the two remaining 2 units, that is unit number 2, database query using SQL for 25 marks. Then introduction to computer networks, 10 marks total, 35 marks. And in unit 2, if you see, in the 3 months before they have given in the syllabus, in that a join all were there. Now they removed that join. We have only up to order by, querying and manipulating data using group by and order by, up to that only. Then the computer networks, all that we have. Then in the practicals, if you see here, they have given SQL queries pen and paper only. Suppose if the pandemic is continues like this, or the situation is worsened, then if it is not possible to come to the school and give the practical exam, then you will give the pen and paper. That is, you will write the query and you will send it. Otherwise, if the situation is good, you can come to the school and give your practical exam. Then that time you will execute the query, then that you will write in your paper. So pen and paper for that 7 marks. Then we have some practical file, 12 SQL queries for that 2 marks. Then your final project submission. The term 1, you have the project synopsis only. Then in term 2, you have the final project submission. For that 3 marks, then Viva 3 marks, overall 15 marks you will get it. So this is how the CBSE has divided the syllabus into two terms, and you all are going to give two terms of exam, that is term 1 and term 2. Then here if you see, I will show you, just a minute. the term 1 how you will give the exam, and term 2 how you are going to give. See, at the end of the first term, the board will organize the term 1 examination in the flexible schedule to be conducted between November and December 2021, with a window period of 4 to 8 weeks for the schools situated in different parts of the country or abroad. So the exams will be November and December. Within that duration, the question paper, you will get a multiple choice question. Okay, that can be the reasoning. For us, assertion is not possible. So the reasoning type of questions you will get it. The duration will be 90 minutes. Okay, the question paper will be sent by the CBSE. So you will get the question paper from the CBSE. Then your response will be captured on the OMR sheet. So you have to give your response in the OMR sheet. So we will scan and send to the CBSE that. Then in term 2, will be in the month of March and April. That will be 2 hours of duration. If the situation is fine, you will come to the school and you will write the exam. Suppose it is not possible, then again a 90-minute MCQ will be there. So the marks of the term 2 examination would contribute the final overall score. In case both the exam you are doing in online, or any one of the exam in online, or one is in offline if you are doing, so according to the situation, the CBSE will decide that what type of moderation, all that at the time of your final exam, how it is, the results, that according to that they will analyze and give. So this is how at present we got it from the CBSE. So your syllabus is divided into 2 terms. So 50-50, half you will write 2 unit for the term 1 and other 2 unit for the term 2. So 35 marks, 35 marks, because our theory paper is 70 marks, and our practical 30 also again divided into 15-15. Okay, so this is the thing, and in the coming next video and all, we will see. I will give the 2021 new chapters, everything, one by one update I will give you. So suppose if you didn't study the abroad children, we have started a long back, so you can almost now the chapters are completed, like pandas, SQL and all, and those who started in India, they started now only. So anyhow, I will now revise my video, and from the term 1 what we have, that I will upload. Okay. If you have any queries, please send through the comment section. We will discuss in that in the coming video. Thank you.